Hey, what's up with Pop? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. So today will be a self-help strategy, and today is about how to date or be friends with a Scorpio. Quick shout out to Sydney Island. Y'all go subscribe to her channel because she does astrology videos and she knows what she's talking about. Okay, so let me tell y'all this. Things first, you have to be genuine. Like, be genuine in your efforts of you really showing you know how to be a friend, like, and really showing you know how to be a partner. Like, that's how you get cool with a Scorpio. Sincere with the Scorpio, basically, because I'm sincerely Yana, and you gotta be sincere with Scorpio, and I am that Scorpio. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you act different with her and versus other people when you're not with her, y'all not gonna be friends if you seem two-faced with a Scorpio. Like, you're just not. Don't be so forceful, or at least for me, I don't like feeling forced to do anything. Don't force me to do nothing because I won't do it. Now, that's the stubborn sign of a Scorpio. That's that fix. When they say that fixed sign, that stubbornness, man, I don't know if this is for Scorpios or for everybody, but I do not like feeling forced to do nothing. Scorpios do like honesty. Like I said, be real and be sincere. Like, Scorpios need honesty. Me in general, because I'm a Scorpio, I feel like Scorpios, like in that reading that I did in the previous video, we do test people. Like, especially romantically, we do have a tendency to test people. I didn't even know, but yes, I do know. I've heard that people say Scorpios are manipulative. Is that really manipulative, seeing if somebody knows how to do something first before you like give direction? Is that manipulative? Oh no, y'all let me know if that's manipulative. I don't really know. We do tend to play like games where like we want you to be the mind reader because we just want to know if you have those qualities. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just like you dating somebody to see if they have the qualities. Right, it's just like you dating somebody to see if they have the qualities that you see fit for yourself going forward. So I don't think that's manipulative. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below what sign you are, what your takes on it. I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl, Sincerely Yana.